Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you Xiaomi or Redmi mobile private album option to your gallery. So let's begin our video. So here you can see I just open my gallery option, and there have a photo that I want to secure or send in private album. So what I need to do, I just need to open this photo at first. Right now at this corner there have a 3 dot icon. Just select it and then select add to album and select a private album from top and select OK. Right now if you just check, there have no photo. This photo already gone from your album. So this photo already sent to your private album. Right now how can you find this photo? Just select album from here and just swipe up from top. Just swipe up from top like this. You can see I just doing that. So you just need to do like that, and then you can find a security option. You just need to set your type your security, and finally you can find this photo. Here you can see private album. So that's it guys. In this way you can enable or you can send your photo to your private album in Xiaomi or Redmi mobile. So I hope you can understand. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.